Today we are unboxing the 1616 Nokia 1616. Nokia 1616. Nokia 16. It's a large color display, long lasting anti-dust keyman, FM radio enabled with the 3.5 mm AV conductor, flashlight, anti-scratchable cover. It's a Nokia. Now let's unboxing the Nokia 1616. I choose the red color to my Nokia 1616 by it's a very nice and cute mobile and small soft keypad. Let's unbox we see in the box. It's a charger, Nokia standard charger with small pin. It's a hand free. It's a 3.5 mm hand free Nokia. It's a battery, Nokia battery. It's a BL5C 1020 microampere and 3.7 volt. This is my mobile warranty, Advanced Telecom 1616. It's a user menu. It's a Nokia warranty card. The box is empty. Let's see the mobile. It's a very cute mobile and very yes, a keypad very soft. This is finished. It's a Nokia unboxing 1616.